For access to millions of free online games, go to roblox.com and create an account. Log into your account. Now select any free game to play. To search for a specific game title, for example, Pebble Heaven, be sure to put the name in quotations. There are many Pebble Heaven copycats out there, so be sure to look for the one made by Prize Counterpuncher, or the ones created by the Piggy Fan Game Devs team. Just press play to play the game. Get your superpower from Blink and Speedy. You can move around using the WASD keys on your keyboard and your mouse, spacebar to jump. Capture all 3 turtles to move to the next level.
I like turtles.
Have fun and enjoy your millions of free games.